Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be going over a recent distressed purchase property from my boy Chief. Let's take a look around. This is what the neighborhood looked like. This property has endured some significant burn damage from the second unit, leaving the house front and the roof in significant need of repair. The side and the back of the property is pretty solid. It's primarily just the front. But let's take a look inside. Wow. As you can see, there's a lot of work is needed to be done on the inside, but the walls look pretty solid for the most part. We weren't able to get into the first unit, but it's fair to assume since the fire started on the second unit, the first unit should be in better shape. Now, let's check out the attic to see the roof damage. Yikes! There's a massive hole in the roof. Also, there's significant burn damage on the wood. It's fair to say this roof is going to need to be fully replaced. Estimated damage for the roof and the house front is looking between 30K to 40K, but stay tuned though.